Hi, my name is Chuck Cobb. I assume that you have already taken my previous course that is a prerequisite for this course and know who I am, so I won't go through a long introduction of myself again. Welcome to my training course on Understanding Hybrid Agile Project Management. In this course, we're going to go into much more detail about how to make a hybrid agile model work in the real world. The goal is to show you how to get the best of both worlds with the right blend of planning and adaptivity in a hybrid agile model. Here's an overview of the modules in this course. We're going to start with a comparison of agile and traditional plan-driven methodologies and how they're different. Then we're going to talk about hybrid agile models, including what is a hybrid agile model, how does it work, and why would you use it. Finally, we're going to go over a hybrid agile model I developed called the Managed Agile Development Framework, and discuss some actual real-world examples. This course is part of an overall curriculum for Agile Business Management that consists of 3 learning paths. This course is the second of 2 courses in the Introduction to Agile Business Management learning path, and you should take the first course in this learning path before taking this course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Agile Business Management with the Understanding Hybrid Agile Project Management course at Pluralsight.